Okay, with just 2 ingredients you can make rhubarb jam. All you need is cut up rhubarb and some sugar, and you can make this delicious jam. Okay, so today I went out in my garden and I picked my rhubarb. As you can see, they're right here on the butcher block. And now I'm going to cut it up in small pieces like this, because I plan on making rhubarb jelly and rhubarb bread, because I have a lot of rhubarb here. I've cut a lot up already, as you can see. Cut it pretty thin. Okay, for the jam recipe, I'm going to be cutting about 2.5 pounds of rhubarb. And all you need for the jam recipe is 2.5 pounds of rhubarb and sugar. So I'm gonna make it today. Let's see how it comes out. I'm washing the rhubarb now. Giving it a good rinse. So I took my 4 cups of rhubarb and 3/4 cup of sugar, and I stirred that all together in this big stainless steel pot, and it made a lot of juice, as you can see. I put it in the refrigerator overnight, and it has a real good amount of juice. Now I'm going to put it on the stove at medium-high heat until it boils. So I have it on medium-high heat, and I'm just going to stir it up, and I am going to wait for this to boil, and I'm going to stir occasionally. We'll just keep that there for a little bit. I'll come back to it. I've got this rhubarb and sugar on the stove on medium-high heat, and it's starting to boil, so I'm just going to just stir it, because I don't want anything to burn. Okay, so I had this on medium-high, and I brought it to a boil, and I stirred occasionally. And now I'm reducing the heat to medium-low, and I'm going to leave this on medium-low for 1/2 hour. This has been sitting on medium heat, and I've been stirring occasionally so it doesn't burn. And so far it has not burned. It's very good. And it's going to sit on medium heat for another 15 minutes. But as you can see, it's starting to thicken up right now. So I've been cooking the rhubarb with the sugar on medium heat for a 1/2 hour, stirring occasionally, and now it's just all done. I am going to take it off the burner and let it cool for about 20 minutes. So the rhubarb has cooled, and now it made a jam, and I can put it in this glass jar. Nice and this is what a 1/2 batch of rhubarb jam makes. I was able to fill 3 of these jars, and notice the consistency. Perfect. I'm going to sample it. Notice the consistency. I'm just going to put a little bit on this saltine cracker here. Sweet with a little bit of tart. Very, very good. And remember, stay young and have fun.